for this mining. Oh, hey, here's the guy over there. Oh, that's a gunshot! Oh my goodness! No, get back! Get back!
Get back!
Oh, he's in there!
Oh,
I need a helicopter right now! He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Get on!
Go, go, go! Yes! Go, go now!
Get him!
Oh my goodness!
Hey, get your booty back here!
Go, 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 go! Oh my goodness, it's good. Right. I don't know if he's coming after us though.
I don't know either. Also, is there a bad time to tell you that I've never flown a helicopter before?
Yeah, it's about time.
I'm coming at you!
Oh no, he's coming. Yo, pull up, pull
Try
up.
my best.
Where is this guy?
I see him.
Where?
Found ya!
Oh, he's right under us! Go! He's firing at us. Get to old HQ.
Okay.
Get back!
I'll keep an eye on him. Just keep going. No, I'll keep an eye on him. I'll keep a guy on him. He's right behind us.
Right here, he's not.
He's slowly coming. He's very... No, never mind. He's fastly coming. Boost! I think you missed the boost. Oh, he did not miss the boost. He just shot at us.
He's ahead of us.
Yeah, he's right below us. Right below us now.
Yeah, that's a hard time for him.
I think he's reloading. And he's firing at us. He's definitely firing at us right now. He's not behind us. Alright, he's on the sled. He's making his way. Just go as fast as you possibly can, possibly.
Beep, beep!
What was that? What was that?
I hit another hand.
Yo, 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 yo! What type of flying are you doing?
Crazy kind.
Alright, let's go. Alright, make our way here. Calmly oh! Hey! 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 Calmly... Yo!
Huh?
Thank you for dropping me off. Alright, get out of here before you die. Alright. I have a plan just for this.
I'm leaving.
Why did I have to come here? I don't know. But it's more... better way. I don't have enough enough nugs.
Yo, helicopter, can I get a ride? Yeah. So, can I get a ride?
What is that? When did they add a flamethrower? I forgot.
Hey.
Got him! You nice try trying to kill me, huh? Now, one question. Why did you even try start?
Like April Fool's prank, I guess? No, man.
Oh yeah, right, it was April Fool's. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's still April, so technically it is April Fool's if you really think about it.
Sorry.
Nah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Can I get the helicopter back?
Oh, Wait, I'm out of ammo. Hold up. Can
Alright.
you stay right here? Can you stay right here? Wait. Yo, was that April Fool's prank funny? Was that April Fool's prank funny?
Yeah, it was kind of funny, honestly. That was kind of cool how I got shot. Helicopter.
Oh yeah, no,
Wow,
I
helicopter.
actually shot your fans though. Yeah, your fans. The helicopter might crash.
Hold on. I'm gonna grab a flare. Alright, I'm grabbing a flare for you.
Be careful. The helicopter might crash. So drive as careful as you can.
Why would the helicopter crash?
I shot like 5 pans.
Oh.
Better pray it doesn't crash.
Shooting flare.
What? What do you mean you're on your foot? Well, might as well kill myself.
No, don't do that. You eventually come.
Yeah, but not with the helicopter.
Okay, I just picked up a call with him. He crashed.
Well, might as well end this hell now.
Well, no, don't. Can you revive me?
So look, I can't kill a ghost.
Everything's done.
Okay, shoot me now.
Okay, I guess.
Yeah, set up as time.
I don't remember
Well,
a helicopter. I mean, here is a teleporter, but it's all the way up there.
In
You
the
wanna try
air,
to
or
get
is
up
that
there?
just me?